Hello mga katok, it's me Louis Corpus. Today I'm gonna show you my Louis Corpus Hana basta-basta dakat katok na backpack. It can fit a lot of things. It also has like a purse. You can put your coins. You can open this. You can put your credit cards or your Petron value card. You can put it here. That's a lot of compartments. It has a lot of pockets. It's made of leather, pure leather, so can fit a lot of things. You can also put your bench Atlantis here, there, and put it. You can also put umbrella. You can put your umbrella. You can also put your Aquashine 1.5 liters water bottle for only 17 pesos. You can put it here. It can fit a lot of things. It can fit a lot of things. You can also put your gloves inside here. But first, I'm gonna tell you, my friend is selling this for only 2,000 pesos. It's 14 ounce twins boxing gloves. There. If you want to buy it, just send me a message here. If you want this for only 1,200 pesos. Ooh, it's the best backpack ever. So, goes well with our Hana basta-basta dakat katok na snapback cap. There. If you want it, just send me a message. More blessings to all of us.